Hey guys, today we're out here in beautiful Mountain's Edge, the master plan community of Mountain's Edge. We're going to be jumping into this 4,200 square foot home with 5 bedrooms, 5 bath, 4-car garage, and a pool. So if you like home tours, stick around. We're going to get inside of this $755,000 home in just a few minutes. Welcome back to the channel, and if you guys are new here, my name is Bryan Knisley. I'm your local Las Vegas real estate broker, and this channel was designed for everything Las Vegas. So whether you're looking for real estate here in the Las Vegas Valley, or if you're just looking for what to do or anything about lifestyle, please reach out. We'd love to hear from you. We're helping people all across the world and all across the country. Information's below. We're about to jump into this property right now. Let's go jump into this massive 4,200 square foot home right here in Mountain's Edge. Come on in. Glass inlay in the front door here. As you walk in, you have the tile medallion in the foyer as you walk in, and we're walking straight into sort of a formal living area. I'm going to turn my mic off and we'll walk down. We've got crown molding throughout the entire house, shutters on all of the windows, and let's walk towards the kitchen here. Small little drop area for your keys and things like that as you walk in. And this is the kitchen off to the side here. We've got a big island, granite countertops in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, pretty standard cabinetry, gas stove, double ovens, big pantry off to the side here. Lots of food goes in there. As you walk out this way, you got the big area, mostly tile throughout the main areas of the house. You got the carpet inlays in here, fireplace over to here. Not sure where you'd put your TV in here. Maybe on this wall here, but oh, over there. Yeah. Good job, Parker. Big media niche right here that I missed. And then you've got a bedroom downstairs. So we've got a full bedroom and bath downstairs. Full bath right here. Bedroom off to the side, small closet here, standard sized bedroom. It's nice to have one down. Get the mother-in-law downstairs. You got the half bath for the house down here. Walk into the laundry area. You've got a utility sink in the laundry, countertop space for folding clothes, plenty of storage down here, washer and dryer. And then we'll step into the garage. We got a big 4-car garage out here. So a massive 4-car garage. This property also comes with solar panels on the roof, so it cuts down on those energy costs for you. And we will head upstairs. So lots of, we've got Ring doorbell, we've got the whole house intercom system, things like that. So this house is dialed in. And you come upstairs, it's huge up here. So we've got all the digital thermostats within the house that are programmable, because it's going to take a lot to cool this house in the summertime. But as you see, we're wide open to the big loft up top up here. And so we've got 1 bedroom downstairs and 2 bedrooms in the back there, another bedroom here, and then we've got the primary bedroom off to the back over there. But this is actually an added bonus room that could be turned into another bedroom. But it looks like this might have been the kids' playroom. Got a TV on the wall here, lots of LED lights around, and then this bonus room off to the end here. So conceivably, you could turn this into a large walk-in closet, and this would be an extra bedroom for a 6th bedroom for that large family. Got a full bath off to the side here with this bedroom attached. Come down to the end of the hall here. We've got the other 2 bedrooms off to the sides. And then the Jack and Jill bathroom that connects both of these bedrooms together. So dual sinks, full shower and tub. Again, there's shutters on all the windows and throughout the entire property. Let's go on and take a look at the primary bedroom. primary. Lots of lighting up here. So you walk into the primary again, it's got the crown molding throughout. Carpeting's decent, might need to be replaced soon. Come into the primary bathroom, you've got the large tub, shower, dual sinks, and a makeup counter over here, and this massive walk-in closet. This could be another bedroom for you, Parker. Built-ins throughout the entire closet. Lots of shelves. If you got lots of shoes, that looks like a good spot for them. Let's go downstairs to check out the pool. So straight out from the kitchen, we're gonna walk out to the pool. Looks like some of the cool decking's coming up here, so the cool decking might need to be refreshed out here. We got the landscape stones out here to create a little bit of a rise out there. Looks like artificial turf out here, so that's gonna stay green. We got the pool with the sun decking, put the umbrellas in there. We've got the pop-ups for cleaning in the pool, and then the separate spa that spills out into the pool. So thanks for coming on the tour with us today of this 4,200 square foot massive property right here in Mountain's Edge. So remember, this channel is designed for everything Las Vegas. So whether you're looking for real estate or just lifestyle here in Las Vegas, please reach out. We'd love to hear from you. We're helping people all across the country, and we love helping people find their home right here in the Las Vegas Valley. Information is below, and keep a lookout for all new videos coming out. If you want to know what it's like here in Mountain's Edge, check out this video right here. Until next time, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.